Hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, you probably think I'm crazy. I mean, you aren't completely wrong. So, hello, my name is Jennifer. I have nasty shit in my mouth, but that's really cool. I'm scared to swallow. Hello, if you are new here or just stopping by, my name is Jennifer, and here on my channel every year, all 31 days of October, I upload a new Halloween makeup video. They're not all creepy like this. I try to do half creepy and scary and half like cute, simple, easy things. They're all really easy because I'm not actually like good at FX makeup. I just really like it. And this is of an infected, fresh zombie situation. Welcome to the beginning of 31 Days of Halloween. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's always linked down below as well. And yeah, I don't really have much to say. This is a cool zombie bite. Super simple. I kind of covered up most of the actual cool bite part, but it's fine. So I'm gonna get off of here and stop rambling. And also the best part about this look is you can start with whatever makeup you had on all day, because I've definitely had like my face makeup on all day and like my eyebrows. I realize now I should have like fucked my eyebrow up a little bit here. There we go, that's better. And yeah, super easy to do, super simple, and I hope I can get this colorant out of my mouth. You'll see it at the end of the video, it looked way cooler. So yeah, I'm gonna get off here, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm gonna go brush my teeth and wash my face. I feel disgusting. This is super easy to do. We used all drugstore products for the most part, or affordable products I should say. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let's get into it. I accidentally hit my face. Ew. Let's get into it though. Okay, so after we moisturize our lips, I'm just going to go in with any regular colored face powder, and I'm just going to kind of touch up what I already had on from today, just to make sure there's no like oil, I guess, to mess up my makeup. Going in with the James Charles and Morphe palette. You don't have to have this. I'm just going in with a darker, more warm tone brown shade and contouring very, very heavily. And then I'm just going to blend all that out. Now I'm taking ColourPop's Flexitarian highlighter in my finger and going in, because even infected, I need to have a glow going. You can skip this step if you want to. Doesn't really matter. I just like having my highlight on, and I'm blending out that contour a little bit. Now I'm going back into the James Charles palette, and I'm going to start with this very pale pink shade and a fluffy crease brush, and I'm literally just going to carve out the bottom of my eye socket. I guess you're wanting to make your under eye bags look even worse, so yeah, no, just go in, add a few shades. I'm actually going to go in with pink, and then I'm going to take some yellows and a green all out of that palette and just continue building them up until you look sick, I guess. That's a good way to say it. Once you're happy with how your eyes look, I'm going in with this Color Icon pencil from Wet n Wild. This is just the red shade, and I'm very roughly and messily tightlining my eyes, and I'm blinking kind of hard and smearing it out and everything else. I'm going to go in with my finger. There you go. Smear it out to where your eyes look really bloodshot and gross. Have a dance break. You know how we do. And then I'm just going to go in. I was going to use regular eyelashes, and then I decided on my magnetic eyelashes, so I'm laying down that eyeliner and kind of flicking it out on the end. Not necessary for your fresh zombie to have magnetic lashes, but alas, here we are. I also put some mascara on my bottom lashes and kind of smeared it all over my face, and I blinked my eyes really, really hard while my mascara was still wet. I'm adding some blue tones under my eyes, smearing and blending until you're content. Totes forgot, I'm also taking those same shades and smearing them out of my nostrils kind of and around my face, taking my fingers to really blend and smudge it. This is so cool. I used one of these last year to do my Little Red Riding Hood, and I actually bought this last year and had it left over. It's just a zombie bite. It's pretty much a temporary tattoo, so I'm cutting it down to size, making sure I get the words cut off, and I'm pinning my hair back a little bit more, and I'm just trying to decide where I want to place it. Once I'm pretty sure that's where I want it, I just go ahead and peel off the top plastic and get a wet washcloth, and I mean, you know how a temporary tattoo works. I guess if you don't, you just want to hold a damp wet washcloth over it until you're happy and you feel like it's really saturated. And then you just peel the paper off and you're left with this really freaking cool zombie bite. Like, honestly, look how fucking cool that is. You could pretty much just leave it at that if you want to. Be better than me, have your powder out. I'm just taking a loose translucent powder and powdering over it just so it's not as shiny and kind of blends into your skin a little bit better. Is that not the coolest freaking thing? So easy. $2. I'm going back in with the green and yellow shades and kind of fanning out around the tattoo that has green in it already, just to kind of make it blend in a little bit more, and going over it with a little bit of yellow. Do your thing. Now I'm just dipping into my Mayron palette wherever I can find it. These are water activated paints. You can get this exact kit on Amazon for like $30. I'm just taking the blue out of it and adding really small little veining, and if you mess it up, kind of just go back in and smudge it a little bit more. I'm adding that around the bite, and I'm also going to go ahead and add it around my eyes a little bit. Now I'm taking an old cosmetic sponge I have and ripping holes into the top of it to give it a little more texture. Then I'm actually going to take some zombie blood spray that's left over from last year, probably not okay to use, and I'm just going to kind of dab it over the teeth marks. I kind of wish I hadn't done this because I kind of lost the cool teeth marks in all the blood I put on, but it's okay. I also drape a towel over my shirt, kinda, and spray a little bit of that zombie blood and let it run, and then stop it with that sponge when I'm done and happy with where it is. Then I'm gonna take some blood scab. Why is it so hard to say? Blood scab and a popsicle stick, and I'm gonna kind of goo this around my mouth and also over that zombie bite. And arguably the coolest part of this look, in my opinion, is this dark red mouth colorant I found at Walmart for like $1 or $2. It's very minty, it's very nasty, it feels disgusting. I'm putting that all over my teeth and kind of swishing it around, dripping it out of my mouth a little bit and just a little bit out of my nostrils. I kind of really like this because it dries kind of gooey and chunky, but whatevs. Now all you need to do is unclip your hair, mess it up a little bit, and act like you're all sick and gross. And I ended up like drooling because I didn't want to swallow the food colorant.
but it kind of just made it even cooler. So, I mean, do you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye!